Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Avalanche. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price line of Avalanche has recently broken down the support of a falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from this wedge, we had a big drop and the price then broke down this very long-term up trend line support. And now it is moving at this very long-term down trend line support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support that we have even broken down on the weekly time frame chart as well was coming from here from September 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. Now it can be flipped into a resistance, and this downtrend line support is by the way coming from here from the month of November 2021. And after this rejection, we had a big drop and the price and again moved up. And we got another rejection here, another small rejection here, and so many rejections here. And after the breakout, it can work as a strong support for the price. And we had, you can see that long spike beyond this support, even though on the daily time frame chart, we had a long spike in the price and could not break it down, even on the daily time frame chart itself. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support. For example, if Avalanche breaks down this support, then it can drop down at the next support of $20. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at the very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup of cow, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 19th of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that we have recently broken down the support of falling wedge pattern. Despite this pattern, the falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish bias. And this time, the price line did not break out the resistance. In fact, it has broken down the support of this wedge. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown that I was telling you was here. Uh, that was exactly at this support of $20. And you can see that the price then went very close to this support. It dropped up to approximately $21.20. Almost reached that target to the downside, but could not break down this long-term down trend line support that was previously working as a very strong resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this down trend line has been previously working as a resistance here, again worked as a resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here. And now this time it can work as a strong support. For example, if we will break it down, then the pricing can test this long-term support of $20. By the way, we have broken down this very significant up trend line support that can now work as a resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the recent breakout from this channel, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, we had a nice rally, but the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $65. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.